Heads up, speed aficionados! Mercedes-Benz, through AMG, is dialing up the heat. Introducing the 2024 to 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLC Coupe lineup. With the GLC 43 boasting 416 horsepower, and the 63 SE Performance hitting a wild 671 horsepower, thanks to its tiny 6.1 kWh battery combined with AM 139L 4-cylinder electric motor. Talk about speed! It zooms from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds. And there's more in the pipeline. Prepare for the upcoming Mercedes-AMG E-Class estate. With its huge trunk capacity, it's both stylish and functional. Got a vivid imagination? Digital artist Nikita Chwiko surely does. This CGI rendition of the 2025 Mercedes-AMG E63S East Performance Estate, complete with Brabus details and real exhaust outlets, is every car enthusiast's dream. Stunning, isn't it? Would you want to own one? Share your thoughts below. And for more adrenaline-pumping car news, hit that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.